What's the meaning of crispness? Crispness. Crispness.
Crispness. Crispness. Crispness refers to the texture and quality of a food item that is firm, dry, and brittle. It is characterized by a satisfying crunch or snap when bitten into, and a lack of excessive moisture or chewiness. Foods that are often associated with crispness include fruits and vegetables, such as apples, carrots, and lettuce, as well as fried foods like potato chips and chicken. Crispness can be desirable in food because it provides a contrast to other textures and enhances the overall sensory experience.